I don't think time travel is possible any more than I think backward causation is possible, for exactly the same reason. When the time traveler arrives in the present, his future machine doesn't even exist. He doesn't exist. So it's impossible for him to have traveled back in time and to appear in the present. So I think that given the reality and objectivity of temporal becoming, time travel, as well as backward causation, is metaphysically impossible. Now, in addition to that, it's logically impossible to change the past. And this is one of my gripes with most time travel movies, like Back to the Future, where they have the time traveler changing the past. And that's logically impossible. To change the past would be to bring it about that something that has happened has not happened. And that's just a logical contradiction. So the best time travel movie I've seen is Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. This is a consistent time travel movie. They go back in time and they're trapped in jail. And they say, how are we going to get out of the cell? And he says, I know, we'll come back in our time machine and we'll leave the keys here so that we can unlock the cell. And he says, oh yeah, well, where would we put the keys? Under the wastebasket. And they lift the wastebasket and there they are. Now see, that's a consistent time travel scenario. They didn't change the past. The keys were under there, but it was because they came back and left them there. So that's a great time travel movie. And time travel can be very useful as an analogy to divine foreknowledge, because when God foreknows something, he can do something now in light of what he foreknows will happen, like leave the keys under the wastebasket because he knows that you're going to need them at that time. And so I do think that backward causation, time travel, precognition, though these are metaphysically impossible, nevertheless, they provide wonderful analogies for understanding the very radical implications of divine foreknowledge.